Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best diode is probably one of the most important components in modern electronics, acting as a one-way valve for electric current, allowing current flow in only one direction and blocking it in the other. This simple yet crucial function makes it an essential part of countless devices, from smartphones to power supplies. Understanding its characteristics and applications is key to appreciating its significance in the world of electronics. Number 5. ALLECIN Diodes Assortment Kit. This comprehensive kit provides a wide variety of diodes for all your electronic projects. It's perfect for hobbyists and professionals alike. It includes rectifier, Schottky, and switching diodes, covering a broad range of voltage and current ratings. You'll find exactly what you need. This kit contains various diodes such as 1N400X series, 1N540X series, and more, each with different voltage and current capabilities. Check the specifications to find the right one for your application. They offer stable performance, strong corrosion resistance, and excellent high-temperature resistance, ensuring reliability in your circuits. The kit comes in user-friendly packaging for easy storage and organization of all the components. It's designed for convenience. Remember to always double-check the voltage and current ratings before using them in your projects to ensure compatibility and safety. What we like. It has a wide range of diodes to suit various needs. Its stable performance makes it reliable for different applications. The organized packaging makes it easy to find the right diode. What people say. The selection is nice if you want to have on hand a bunch of diodes for different use cases. Plenty of diodes, a good assortment, and each bunch is labeled on the tape holder. Bought a box for our engineering electronics workbench, and guess what? Already went through 20%. Do you have any idea what these would have cost if ordered separately and paying for shipping each time? This is a no-brainer. Order a box if you do repairs, or if you need flyback diodes often. Number 4. Tnisesm Diode Assortment Kit. This kit is a comprehensive collection of diodes, perfect for various applications. It includes a wide range of types and values to suit your needs. You'll receive 250 diodes in total, covering 16 different values. This ensures you have the right component for any project. The kit contains rectifier, Schottky, fast recovery, and switching diodes. This variety makes it suitable for a wide array of electronic projects. It includes specific diodes like 1N4001, 1N4007, 1N5408, and many more, each with different current and voltage ratings. Check the product description for the full list. They come in an anti-static bag for easy storage and protection. This ensures the diodes remain undamaged and ready to use. It's perfect for product development, student experiments, maintenance, and production. Its versatility makes it a valuable asset for any electronics enthusiast or professional. These diodes are known for their low leakage, low forward voltage drop, high efficiency, and low power loss. They are built to perform reliably. Rest assured that it meets the highest environmental standards. It's lead-free and RoHS compliant, making it a responsible choice. What we like. This kit includes rectifier, Schottky, fast recovery, and switching diodes. It's also lead-free and RoHS compliant, making it environmentally friendly. The packaging is designed for easy storage and access. What people say. Used to stop backward flow of power from a relay I wanted to tap in my car. Flow was about 2 amps and I used the 10 amp rectifier diode just to be safe. Worked perfectly and there was no perceptible backflow judging by the very sensitive LEDs not turning on at all even with the downstream circuit on full blast. I used these to mod my 2010 Chevy Silverado to have cargo lights when I opened the door and pushed the auto lock, and also used it for the all-6 light mod on my truck. Also things are great. Amazing that a little blown diode was the reason my Ducati wouldn't start. Replaced it with one of these and back on 2 wheels. Number 3. MCIGICM 10A10 Diodes. These diodes are perfect for various applications. They offer high performance and reliability. It boasts a forward current of 10 amps and a maximum repetitive peak reverse voltage of 1000 volts. This makes it suitable for demanding circuits. They feature a molded plastic case and plated axial leads for durability and easy installation. It's built to last. These diodes are lead-free and RoHS compliant, ensuring environmental friendliness and safety. They meet the highest industry standards. Experience low reverse leakage and high forward surge current capability for optimal performance. It's designed for efficiency. Each package contains 20 pieces, safely stored in an ESD bag with clear labeling for easy identification and long-term protection. Ensuring quality from start to finish. What we like. It boasts a high current and voltage capacity, perfect for high-power applications. The durable construction ensures long-term reliability. If you need a robust diode for demanding projects, this is a great choice. What people say. The diodes work well and were easy to install. Broke diode off stator, alternator, connector on my riding mower while replacing starter. Tried to solder it back but overheated and ruined it. Stator was good, so I replaced the diode with one of these and worked perfectly. Saved buying a $90 stator, and this diode is higher rating too. The charging system was not keeping the battery full, so over time of mowing, etc. I replaced the missing, destroyed, rectifier diode with this part instead of the OEM part. Charging system now works like a charm. Number 2. Roadmaster 792 diodes. These diodes are built for high performance. They're perfect for a variety of applications and offer reliable power handling. These diodes are made in the USA, ensuring the highest standards of quality and reliability. You can trust them to perform. Each diode is incredibly compact and lightweight, measuring just 10 L x 1 H x 6 W inches. They're easy to handle and install. This pack contains 2 diodes, perfect for projects needing a pair. The packaging is designed for easy storage and organization. Remember the part number 792 for easy ordering and identification. It's your key to getting these high-quality diodes. Upgrade your projects with the Roadmaster 792 high-power diodes. Experience the difference that quality makes. What we like. Made in the USA, it offers a high level of quality assurance. Its high-power capabilities make it suitable for demanding applications. If you value quality and reliability above all else, this is the option for you. What people say. Easy to install and takes a beating. I used these to correct a high beam issue that I was having with some headlights I purchased. The units are well made and have been working flawlessly on a daily basis for a few months now. These are great diodes. They handle much more power than you'll ever need for lights. I actually use these out of spec to run emergency pumps with multiple battery banks. I looked around for anything similar but couldn't find it. These are perfect. Number 1. BOJACK 30 Values Zener Diodes Kit. This kit contains 600 pieces of 1W Zener diodes, perfect for various applications. It's a comprehensive assortment for all your electronic needs. It features 30 different voltage values, ranging from 3V to 47V. This wide range ensures you'll always have the right component on hand. The kit is neatly organized for easy storage and selection. Each diode is clearly marked for quick identification. It comes in an anti-static bag to protect the diodes from damage. This ensures the quality and longevity of the components. These are lead-free and RoHS compliant, making them environmentally friendly and safe to use. They meet high-quality standards. This kit is ideal for product development, student projects, repairs, and more. It's a versatile tool for any electronics enthusiast. What we like. It offers a wide selection of Zener diodes with various voltage ratings. This makes it ideal for voltage regulation and protection circuits. If you're working with Zener diodes, this kit is perfect for your needs. What people say. Great assortment. So far every Zener diode I used was within spec of its Zener point tolerance and current capacity. Nice range of values on the low end. Great for anyone trying to clamp higher voltages with low current draw when used as a regulator. Sauber Einzel nach Wertenverpackt Zenerdiaden, beschriftet auf jedem Beutel. Despite this, clear purchase recommendation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.